You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to say glory to Ukraine, how to pronounce this phrase, what you can say to greet a Ukrainian when you meet them, to support the country. Slava Ukraini, Slava Ukraini, Slava Ukraini. And now you know, glory to Ukraine. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.